Hello everyone, Hunchback Casper, and today we are going to review Katsu Chicken Burger. There we go, as you see. Yeah. Right, so I'm quite excited to try this burger today. And yeah, I saw this for £1 in Morrisons, so I was like, why not get it? And it's new, as you see. Alright, I shall be back in a minute. Alright guys, I'm back, and here it is. Katsu Chicken Burger. I'm really excited. Wow. Smells amazing with the katsu curry sauce. Yeah, it smells pretty nice. Here it is, looks alright presentation wise. Yeah. Well, let's try it. Oh, okay. Alright. Cheers. Oh, that's hot. I only got a bit of the chicken, but yeah, it's pretty nice. Wow, I'm amazed. Rustlers never disappoints me. Wow, like they make the best burgers, like the best microwavable burgers. Okay. Wow. This is amazing. I don't know why my screen keeps going white and stuff like that. But yeah, sorry about that, guys. But wow, this is really good. I like it. The sauce, I mean, let's try it. Haven't got the sauce yet. Yeah. That's really good with the sauce. Tastes amazing. I'm impressed. Yeah. I mean, here you got the sauce, That's the sauce on it, if you're wondering what that is. And yeah, I mean, the patty. Here's how the patty looks like. It's pretty good. Wow, I'm impressed on how good this is, considering this was only £1. Yeah, well, let's try some more, shall we? Alright, cheers. I would eat this over a regular chicken burger. Because they have a regular chicken burger, and then of course they have the katsu chicken burger, which is amazing. Alright, let's try a bit more. Cheers. The buns are nice, pretty good. They're soft, which I like. They're not like rock solid, which with some burgers you get, but yeah. Well, in all honesty, it's the best. This is wonderful. I'm really impressed with just overall the burger. Amazing. Wow. Well, alright. What would I rate it out of 10? Out of 10, I would rate it maybe a 6.5 out of 10. 6.5 out of 10. This deserves it. It's pretty good, but there is better Rustler burgers and stuff like that, but this is alright actually. I wouldn't mind eating it again. The sauce, I mean, it's a bit spicy, just a tiny bit, and I like it. Yeah, it's not my level of spice. My level of spice is like, I need some water spicy kind of stuff. This isn't that type of spicy. It's just a tiny bit. barely noticeable. Finished. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell so you get notified every time Hunchback Casper uploads. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.